Metal kids, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. What's going on, man? All right, we are going to unbox this new Carrera digital slot car. Are you ready? Come on over to the bench. All right, kids, welcome to the bench. Metal, let's open this bad boy. So this I picked up for Track Girl. As I've said in some of my videos, I've been working a little extra overtime lately. So I picked this up for Track Girl because she's been needing one. So without further ado, here we go. It is the Red Truckster. We do not have this one on the track yet, so now we'll have 4 trucks. Isn't it just beautiful? Let's go ahead and open that up and get a closer look. We'll be right back. All right, kids, we are back. We're on the turntable. Good old red number 7. Attenzions. Yeah, it means attention, I'm sure. You know, you got your Carrera logo here. Something there I can't make out. Beautiful chrome tanks, beautiful chrome and red wheels. Really cool rear end with the differential and the exhaust and the tail lights. Those tail lights actually will light up when you put some lights back there. I like the rear detailing. Let me come back around here. The rear detailing here on the engine compartment with the ribbing, and the big air scoop that comes up over the roof of the truck itself. Very cool. The big wing's really cool with the number 7, although we will pull the wing because these things run a lot better without the wings. Nice, beautiful cockpit detail with all the little switches in there, the steering wheel, the driver, some doodads over here, and the fire extinguisher. Looks really, really nice. Then your roll cage there. Really cool truck. Just beautiful. I wish it didn't have these white walls. That's my one complaint about this. And of course, there's your headlights there. Really nice detailed grille. I like that you can actually see through this car. Some of them, you know, they don't do that. So that's kind of neat. But beautiful, beautiful truck here. And it also has these roof lights, which I'm going to make light up. I'm thinking about trying to do them red with a set of tail lights, but we'll see on that. Let me get you a closer look here at the back so you can see that differential detail. And you'll have red rings for the tail lights because they're partially painted over clear. I'm not sure why they didn't put lights back there. It's a little bit of a pain in the axe, but it's not that hard. So it'll be without the fin pretty soon. And then there's a good look at the bottom. Pretty standard Carrera stuff. This one's longer, obviously. You know, once we get this apart, we'll check our magnets and what have you to make sure everything's on the up and up. It's interesting, I put Paul gauges on these and they don't run that good. I'm going to do a detailed truck video. I'm going to use this truck for that video, so that'll be coming up in the near future. But let's get this over on the track so you can get a look at it with the lights. Okay, here she is on the track. You can see the lights there in the front. Looks really good in its own environment there. The wings do look choice. We almost ought to put those back on, but they run better without them. But, you know, they look better with them. So, who knows? Maybe we will put them back on. I'll have to talk to the guys about it. But it looks really good. Beautiful, beautiful truck. So, thanks, everybody, for tuning into this unboxing. We hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. All right, everybody. Have a great day. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.